In this video, we will review how to operate the SAVeII Plus Simplified Automated Ventilator in 5 simple steps. Step 1 in using the SAVeII Plus is to connect the patient breathing circuit to the appropriate manifold ports shown here. Step 2 is to power on the ventilator. Step 3 is to select the patient's height from the adult height preset selections. This selection will automatically set the respiratory rate and the tidal volume for a patient at that selected height. Step 4 is to press the confirm button after you've selected the patient's height preset to initiate the appropriate settings. You will want to take notice of the disconnect alarm that should be resolved once the ventilator is connected to the patient. You will also test for the PIP reached alarm by completely blocking the patient connection port with your hand. This will sound the PIP alarm, verifying that the PIP reach sensor is operating correctly. Step 5 is connecting the circuit tubing to the patient. This should disengage the audible disconnect alarm. The disconnect and PIP reached indicator lights should disable after 30 seconds. This ensures the patient is receiving proper ventilation and you can continue to monitor vital signs.